Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding property. Right now we'll be discussing about the CSS padding left shorthand property. In our previous video, we discussed about the padding bottom property. And right now we are going to be specifying our padding left property using our CSS shorthand property. And right now let's quickly change this one to 24 pixels so we can be able to see the effect easily. Now let's change this last property right here. Let's change it to 500 pixels so you can be able to see the effect. Now let's reload our document. Can you see we're having padding from the left 500 pixels. Now we can decrease it to 2 pixels so you can be able to see that it's really the one. Let's reload. Can you see when we reload it's changed, is the one. Now let's target it and give it 300 pixels. Let's see if it's really the one again. Let's reload our document. Can you see we're having 300 pages? Definitely the fourth value we are having in our document right here is the one that is controlling the left property, the left padding property. So please, I want you guys to practice it because practice makes perfect. We are having first, second, third, and the fourth. This first one control the top, the right, and the bottom, and the left property is the fourth value right here. The left property is the one that is controlling the fourth property in our padding, is the one that is controlling the left property. Please, anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Practice make perfect. Please have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace.